Your favorite YouTubers are hiding the truth from you. Here is why they don't tell you everything. In this video, I'm going to teach you how they truly make money from affiliate marketing. And guess what? You can do it too. And so you know, I'm going to teach this to you for absolutely free if you have just 7 minutes. I'm going to teach you all the best kept secrets in a comprehensive manner so you can go out there and make your first 100K with affiliate marketing. Just trust me on this one. Now take a pen and paper because this is going to be a lot. Now I want you to do me a favor. Just remember this. Affiliate marketing is based on psychology. Make sure you remember this. And when I say psychology, I mean emotions. I'm going to switch to business and then come back to affiliate marketing later on. You see, people buy products with emotions and justify it with logic. And I want you to read this closely and understand it. As a matter of fact, I want you to let it sink in. Now let me ask you a question. Why do you want that G-Wagon? Why do you want to buy that luxury house, that Mercedes? Why do you want to attain financial freedom to do whatever you want? It's because of how this makes you feel as a person, particularly when you are around your peers or people in general. For instance, you are driving that luxury car, it makes you feel special and it makes you feel cool, and everyone is like, wow, that is a nice car. So you must know this in affiliate marketing as well. It's always about your customers feeling first, then logic later. So I want you to always remember this. In other words, how you make your audience feel, it's more important than what you actually tell them. Now you are watching this video because I captured your attention in the first 3 to 5 seconds because of one thing: FOMO, fear of missing out. You're like, what if this guy says some information that is going to change my life? And yes, it's going to change your life. And I want you to know that the way to get to the top of the affiliate marketing chain is not by producing the best content for a product. While that is important, this is not the only reason that guarantees your success with affiliate marketing. So before I continue, remember I said other YouTubers are hiding this information from you, and see me giving it to you for absolutely free. So make sure to drop a like on this video if you haven't done that already. Share this video with your friends who are struggling to make money online. Now, if you're new to affiliate marketing, here is a quick breakdown of how affiliate marketing works. All you need to do is to partner with certain companies and they are going to give you a unique link to promote their product or services. And whenever you get people to purchase that product or services through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. So there are thousands of affiliate programs out there that you can choose from Amazon Associates to clickbank.com to jvizu.com, warriorplus.com, and etc. So once you promote products on this platform, you get paid whenever you make a sale. And what is great about affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own product or manage any inventory. What I mean is you don't have to deal with shipping and handling of the product. All you simply have to focus on as an affiliate marketer is promoting this product and generating sales. Now that we know the first rule to making money online with affiliate marketing, and like I said earlier, people buy products with emotions and justify it with logic. Okay, so before we move on to the next strategy, I want to quickly share my story as a beginner. Just like many of you watching this video right now, I was skeptical at first. I thought affiliate marketing was just some gimmick, something only big influencers or big YouTubers make money from. After seeing some success along my journey, I realized how much potential there was in this market. And as you can see right on your screen, the affiliate marketing industry in 2024 alone is worth $15 billion. And let me tell you, it was not easy at first, but with consistency and the right strategy, which I'm going to share with you in this video, things are going to definitely work out for you just the way they did for me. So the next thing you want to do is to pick the right niche. And I want you to have this at the back of your mind. Never pick a niche just because you are passionate about it. Rather, go for niches that are in hot demand And that is how you make money in the affiliate marketing industry. Now you may ask, how do you find such niches that are in hot demand, let alone niches that are going to make you money? What I use is Google Trends and Answer the Public. I use these tools to make informed decisions based on facts backed by data. This step alone puts you ahead of 99% of people, as it helps you avoid wasting your time on unprofitable niches or products. So now I'm going to show you how I use this tool to find niches that are in hot demand. So the very first tool I use is Google Trend, and all you need to do is to go over to trends.google.com. You want to first of all validate that niche to make sure it's actually profitable. And how do you know this? This is when people are constantly searching for this keyword online. So once you come over to Google Trend, you want to make sure to type in your target keyword right here for whatever niche you are working with, okay? So I'm going to take the acne niche as an example, and I'm going to type in something like how to treat acne. So once you type in this right here, you want to make sure for this section you select worldwide, and also you want to check data from the past 30 days. And now you want to then make sure the interest of this keyword is between 100 and 75. That tells you that keyword is currently getting a lot of attention and people are currently searching for this niche on Google. Okay, so you can see here people are searching for how to treat acne, which is a very, very profitable niche, as you can see right here. And if we take a look at the graph, you can see the graph is pointing upward and it's currently at 100% right now. A lot of people are currently searching for this keyword on Google. The next thing we want to then do is to come over to answerthepublic.com to further investigate this keyword to make sure it's 100% profitable. And for Answer the Public, you want to do this differently. As you can see here, it recommends to type in 1 or 2 keywords for that niche. So we are going to type in acne here and we want to click on search. And now once you do that, as you can see, the result right here, over 100,000 people search for this keyword every single month. As you can see here, the search volume for this keyword falls under the good category, which tells you this is a very good and profitable keyword with very little competition. And you can see the cost per click, if you decide to go for paid ad, is also under the cheap section, which is under $2.78. And finally, if you scroll down here, you are going to see other long tail keywords you can target as well, as you can see right here. So now that you know how to pick the right niche, the next thing is to sign up to affiliate program. And this is where you'll be able to find products in that niche. You can start promoting to people. And when you make a sale, you get a commission. And there are so many affiliate networks out there you can join. So there is Amazon Associate, where you get to pick products from Amazon website and you promote that product and you get paid when you make a sale. There's also clickbank.com, which is one of the biggest affiliate networks out there that's paid out over $6 billion to affiliates. And as you can see, there's also digistore24.com as well. You can come over to shareasale.com as well. There are many affiliate networks you can choose from. This is up to you. But for this video, we are going to take ClickBank as an example. Once you come over to clickbank.com, all you need to do is to click on the Start Here button. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and this is where you will be able to create an account on ClickBank. All you simply need to do is to enter your basic information, and you want to click on Join ClickBank, and your account will be created right away. So once you create an account on ClickBank, your account should look like this. So like I said, you don't have to use ClickBank. There are other affiliate networks out there that you can choose from if you prefer. Okay, so once you create your account, you want to go over to the marketplace section of your account. All right, and that is where you're going to see this marketplace section. So you want to make sure to click on marketplace. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this, and this is where you'll be able to find products from various categories you can choose from and start promoting these products and start getting commission. So whatever niche you're working with, you want to simply come over to the search section and you want to type in the niche right here. And since we are taking the acne niche as an example, we are going to type it right here. So once you do that, you are going to find various products you can promote. As you can see, this is an example of a product we can promote right here. So you want to make sure to click on the product to check out the sales page of that product. So as you can see, this is the sales page of this product that is going to teach people how to treat their acne. So once people come over to this sales page and they purchase this product using our affiliate link, we are going to get paid $16 in commission. And to get our affiliate link to promote any product on ClickBank, all you need to do is to click on the promote button. So once you click on the promote button, you're going to see this section that says my link, and this is the link you're going to be using to promote this product. So this works similar across other affiliate networks. So the next step is to start creating high quality content for your chosen product. This is where the magic happens. Content is king. You want to create blog posts, YouTube videos, and even Instagram reels that provide real value to your audience. And now I won't lie to you, this takes a lot of time to master, but I can assure you it's so worth it. You want to simply start by creating honest product reviews, tutorials, and comparison videos about your niche, because the key here is to be real with your audience. So you don't want to go ahead and tell your audience, buy this product or buy that product. Doing that does not work at all. You want to make sure to show your audience you've actually used that product and it works for you, and why it's also going to help them solve their problems as well. Doing this builds trust with your audience, and trust leads to sales. So we are now in AI age where you don't even have to do all that hard work yourself, and you want to be incorporating AI into your workflow, as this is going to save you a lot of working hours and make you more productive and more efficient. So this is one of the best AI tool out there that I have been using for a very long time, and I can assure you it's very, very useful and can help you scale your affiliate earnings quickly. And this is writer.me, and I'm going to leave a link in the description. So if you come over to this website, as you can see here, Writer AI is going to generate original and compelling content that sounds like you and not a robot. This alone sets this tool apart from other competitors, as it has a plagiarism checker tool, which makes sure you only create high quality original content that is going to get seen by your target audience. And now to get access to this plagiarism tool, all you need to do is to come over to the pricing section. And as you can see here, they have a free plan. But to get access to this plagiarism tool, which is going to help you get your content seen by your audience, you want to make sure to go for the unlimited plan or the premium plan. As you can see here, these are the only plans that give you the plagiarism check, and $7 is a very small investment to make in yourself, which is going to help you create high quality content that is going to help you generate passive income when you start getting traffic to your affiliate link and start getting commissions. So once you sign up to writer.com, you can create high quality plagiarism free content in less than 1 minute. So you want to come over to the language section. You want to make sure to select your target audience, and you want to also make sure to select the tone as informative, because as I mentioned earlier, you want to give value to your audience. This way, they are going to trust you and likely make a purchase when you recommend any product to them. You want to come over to the use case section, and you want to make sure to leave this as blog section writing. Okay. So once you do this, this is where you then want to type in a keyword for whatever niche you are targeting. And here you want to then click on write for me. You want to then make sure to click on this writer button to make sure the content is plagiarism free, and you can start publishing this content on your website and start getting traffic. Now that you know how to use AI to generate content, you need traffic to your content in order for people to actually see your content. So I focus on 3 strategies. The first one is SEO, social media, and email marketing. So for SEO, I focus on organic traffic. And that is why I recommend to use Writer Plagiarism Checker tool to make sure your content is 100% unique and not a duplicate. This is the only way you're going to get ranked on Google, because Google wants only high quality original content. All right. And the second thing you want to then do is to create videos for your content, and you want to make sure to optimize the title and description of that video. And don't worry, you can also do this with Writer AI as well by simply coming over to the use case section And if you scroll down here, as you can see, you can use the SEO meta description and SEO meta title as well to make sure your title and description for your YouTube video is highly optimized. And for social media, you want to go over to Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook Reels. You want to make sure to constantly upload informative and educational videos for your audience. And I can assure you, your audience are going to engage with the videos, and many of them are going to click on your affiliate link to purchase whatever product you're promoting. And the final method I use is email lists. You can also collect emails from your landing page. And when you collect these emails, it's going to serve as an asset for you in the long run, 5 months, 6 months, or even a year down the line, as you can always recommend other related products to this audience because you already know they are interested in this niche. And just to show you, here is an example of one of my websites promoting an affiliate product. As you can see here, in the last 24 hours, this one website alone generates thousands of traffic, which is going to be going to my affiliate link. That is why I generated a lot of sales and commission from this affiliate product. So this shows you the power of affiliate marketing and how much money you can make when you start getting traffic to your affiliate link. You will definitely make money. So now that you know what it takes to make money with affiliate marketing, I highly recommend to check out this video on your screen right now. It's going to show you how to use Google Ads to scale your affiliate earnings.